Hey there friends, Susan here. I have our fourth DSP Paper Share sketch project for you today. Today I'm using the Masterfully made DSP, and here are the layers I started with. First I cut the DSP 6x6 square down into these parts and pieces. We're going to be using these four 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 squares for our project today. Let's go ahead and stamp up our sentiment tag. I'm using the Darling Details stamp set, Berry Burst ink, and I have a die cut circle from the Stylish Shapes dies. We're going to be two-step stamping, so first we stamp the outline image, then we stamp the full image, and here I did stamp my ink off lightly once before I stamped it over the top of the detailed image. Next I added my sentiment just above my stamped flower. Then to add just a bit of color, I used my Lemon Lime Twist marker, applied this ink directly to the stamp, and then stamped those two little leaves underneath my flower. Okay, so here are our final pieces for our project. I've got the card base, the 4 squares, and our stamped tag. First, we're going to add the 4 squares to the card base with mono adhesive. When you put the 4 pieces down, you want to try to keep them in the correct direction so that your image would go back together in the eye of the beholder. You can see here as well that I have mine spaced out about 1/4 inch between them to make a larger grid for my sentiment to go over the top of. Next, I added my sentiment die cut tag with dimensionals to pop it up off that background. So this is a simple sketch, but I did collect this from the Stampin' Up! Facebook page. It was shared August of 2022 as their sketch challenge. Okay, so here we go. Here's this simple sketch for the project today using the Masterfully made DSP. I hope you'll join me again real soon for the next project. As you know, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so please shop with me online to support my creative endeavors. When you do, you'll receive a card kit from me with a tutorial as a thank you, something fun for you to put together. You can always find me online at susanwebster.stampinup.net, or you can follow my blog at pumpkinhillstampers.thesearemystamps.com. Thanks for watching today. I'll share again